everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up Silver and Gold's Ring of the Month Club. Cute little box. So every month you get a ring based on your profile and preferences, and they have other subscription boxes too, which is awesome because they have one that's called the jewelry box, which I've opened here, and everything is sterling silver, marked like authentic 925. Stamped 925, whatever, you guys know what I mean, I hope. And then they also have some other jewelry subscriptions for specific allergies, so if you have any allergy to specific metals, this is definitely a great company to check out. But in this box specifically, we get one ring every month, and when you subscribe, it's $24.95 a month, I believe. I will link them down below. This is kindly sent to me free for a review, but not sponsored or anything like that. And when you subscribe, you give them 2 ring sizes, so like you can switch it up, like what fingers and stuff. You'll have like a primary ring size and then a secondary, so I think that's really cool. I actually don't have any rings on right now, so I'm really excited to see what we got, because I've loved the past few rings. Like one of them had like amber in it, and I've been dying to have an amber crystal, and now I have a ring. And then the last month was like this silver, it was the Aurelia Light. It was like the Northern Lights ring, which is super cute. And yeah, I've liked everything we've gotten. So let's see what we got this month. But before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi, welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So if you love them too, I'd absolutely love it if you stuck around and subscribed. Thank you to everyone that's already subscribed. I'm so grateful for you. Let's get to the box. Let's see what's inside. I cut the tape, but I haven't opened it yet. Oh, so cute. You forgot that they have a little thing in here. Ooh, oh my god, I have a feeling I'm gonna like it. So the value of this ring is $95, and it says created blue opal and diamond simulant sterling silver halo ring. Blue, let's see. And I'll show you what I was reading off of. They have a little sticker there. Is it not focusing because of my head? Ooh, size 7. I can't remember. I think I'm 7, 8. I don't know. I feel like my finger size changed. Interesting. I don't have any round rings like this. Let's put it on. I'll show you. I love that blue. This is fun. I'm really into color, and also like color magic, just like wearing different colors for different purposes. So hopefully you guys can see this. I'm gonna try to get color. Oh yeah, there it goes. Isn't that cool? Interesting. I love the blue. So what is it? Created blue opal? I have some opal earrings, but I had never even heard of blue opal. So created blue opal. So it's probably like opal. Oh, and that's diamonds around it? Wow. This is kind of fancy, but at the same time, you can wear it every day. Cool. I like it. At first I was like, I don't know, but the more I look at it, I'm like, I really like that blue. I love it, the blue. It's like, and I love how different it is. I feel like that'll look really cute, like stacked, or like wearing all my rings. I forgot to put them on today, which kind of like worked out well because I got the Ring of the Month Club. So that's it for today, guys. Quick video, but quick little box. So cute. And if you guys are into rings and jewelry, I think this is fun. And oh, I'll look again to see if it has a 925. Yeah, it does. I feel like someone out there probably wants to have that verified. So yeah, it's like good quality and cute rings. And if you guys are into sterling silver jewelry, why did they have sterling silver jewelry? Did I say that right? I don't know. But if you're into that, I definitely recommend this company. Thanks for sending it to me, Silver and Gold. I really appreciate it, and I've loved everything I've gotten. And thanks to you guys. Why am I stumbling over my words so much? I think my cat distracted me, or just like the key ring. I'm just in a good mood. But thank you guys for being here and watching and sticking around, and for all these years. I'm so grateful for all of you. And again, if you guys are new, welcome. I hope you consider subscribing again, and that means I will see you tomorrow. Stay safe, stay healthy. I love you guys so much. Bye.